Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. I thought I'd do an update on the MASH X650, which some of you will have enjoyed watching and following my progress of the various changes I made to the bike. And some of you apparently have noticed that it's for sale. So I thought I'd give you an update as to what I've been doing with it, why it's for sale, etc., and what the plans are for the future. So I like to do projects, and that usually involves me buying a bike, either new or second-hand, and making lots of expensive changes to it and then selling it at a loss, I'd hasten to add, because let's face it, you never get the money back on things you do to the bike. If you change the exhaust, if you spend 700 quid on an Acroprovic exhaust, it doesn't add £700 to the value of the bike. So that's what I like to do, and when I've finished one project, or when I've sort of got to the end of changes that I want to make to it, I like to enjoy them. I want to go out on them, I want to ride them, I want to go places, either touring or around here or whatever, and just enjoy what I've created. But invariably at some point, this project itch is going to come back. I know it is, because it's happened numerous times over the last sort of 20 years. And so therefore I need to look for another project. And there's one particular project that I've been angling for about two, maybe as many as 3 years. I won't go into any great detail, but it's a project that I've wanted to do, and I haven't had the opportunity to. And the opportunity arose about a month or 6 weeks ago to further this project. Now, one of the problems that I have with these various things is that my workshop space is very limited. I can only fit 3 bikes in the workshop. One of them is the bike that my wife and I tour on, so that's not moving anywhere. The other one will be my sporty type bike, which in this case right now is a year 2000 Honda Fireblade, which I've done a lot of work on. And the other one was the MASH. Now, because this project has come up, I've got to make a decision. I've either got to get rid of the Fireblade or get rid of the MASH. And to be honest with you, it's been a bloody difficult decision to make, because I like both of them. I really like both of them. I love the MASH. I love the way it rides now. You know, the suspension's sorted, it's got great tyres on it, it's plenty fast enough, it goes really well. You know, I love the sort of the torque of a big single as you sort of power out of a bend. It's brilliant, and for the B roads around where I live, in the sort of 100-mile radius of where I live, it's just absolutely perfect. But equally, I love the Fireblade. You know, to get a Japanese inline 4 screaming at 9,000 revs is a wonderful thing. You know, and the acceleration and the speed of the Fireblade is so addictively wonderful. So what do I do? So the decision was made that because the project bike is going to be a fairly similar concept as the MASH, then the MASH is the one that's got to go. So right now, the MASH is at Motorcycle Mart in Kidderminster, where it's for sale, at a much reduced price than what it's probably worth, you know, realistically. And it's, I would say, and so would they, that it's the most sorted MASH probably in the galaxy. Because I've done so much to it, and I've spent so much time and care and attention on it. And it's a very sad thing for it to be for sale, but I can't stop doing projects. and I know that this project, the one that's coming along next, I've been waiting to do for a long time. So unfortunately the mash is for sale, and that's the reason why it's for sale. Not for any nefarious reason. The reason it's for sale is because I don't have enough room in the garage to keep it. So that's it. It's on the Motorcycle Mart website if you want to go and have a look at the pictures. If you want to buy it, then that would be great, because I need the money to move on with the next project. You know, I only have a certain amount of money that I allocate to bike projects, and I don't have enough money to move ahead with my next project. So anyway, that's the story of the mash. I hope you've enjoyed the videos. I know that quite a few of you have, and that's wonderful. That was the reason for me making them, and it's very gratifying to see that people like them. But there won't be any more on the mash, unfortunately. But there will be other projects coming along very shortly. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time.